Still working on the top saucer section. It's been about almost 3 weeks now, and this is as far as I've gotten. I'm almost there. Got about another 9 sections to do, and I still gotta do the bottom part of the saucer. I'm also 3D printing a special bracket for the back of the nacelles to do the effect that will show through with red lighting for the nacelles. So we'll see how that comes out, and once it's all printed I'll peel it all off and show you where it's gonna go. I finished 3D printing the part that I was building for the nacelles, and looks like it came out pretty good. All I gotta do now is separate it and start fitting it on the nacelle, see how it's gonna work. So I got this idea from one of our members in our Polar Lights TOS Refit Starship Enterprise group. He came up with the idea of designing the bizarre inserts for his ship, and I thought that was a pretty good idea. I want to thank Gene Davis for the idea. I decided to design and 3D print my own, and this is the first look at what I came up with. I think it's pretty close to what he designed, only his looks pretty cooler, but for my resources I think this will suffice. So the way this is going to work is here's my 3D printed part. Took me about maybe a half hour to design and print this. Came out pretty good for the first try. Camera's having a little bit of trouble focusing, so hang on here. Here we go. So the way this is going to work, I'm going to slide this puppy right in here. Grab the other part of the nacelle. Look at that. Perfect fit. So on those holes I'm going to be mounting some 2mm red lights and wire them up to the rest of the system. And then once I drill out these holes, it's going to pop right there in the back. And when this thing lights up, you should be able to see the nacelles light up in nice hue red. It's going to look awesome. That about does it up for this update. We'll see you around next time.